What's up, you guys? Welcome back to NesFab. Today, we're going to start a little thing called like a side project Sunday. So today my brother-in-law is over here with his badass, what years again? 16? Yeah, 2016 GMC all-terrain pickup. This thing's sexy. He picked it up. It had the stock wheels on it. What did we do? We did like a lift and shit to it too, didn't we? Leveling kit.
Upgraded the alpha control arms.
And did an intake.
Did an intake, oil catch can.
Yeah, I don't know if you can really see. Let's see if I can get down in here. Yeah, you can't really tell. It's kind of dark in there. But yeah, so wheels, intake. We did a bunch of stuff since he's had it. But this thing looks juicy, man. It's a nice ride. Just a V8. It's not a diesel, but he can still roll some coal. So, but today's today's plan is we're gonna knock out the brakes. Do brakes all the way around. The rotors are good, so we're just going to pad slap it. And then maybe if we got time, we're going to slap on some decals. But we're going to take you guys along for the journey. So like always, we'll do some time lapses of what we'll be working on and shit. So we'll be back with an update. All right, there we go. Fronts are a wrap. Getting the back jacked up. Throwing the jack stands right there. Always practice safety. You guys are working on vehicles. So jack stands. And yeah, we'll get these rear wheels off and get these back ones knocked out, man. Brakes are easy. Brakes are easy, especially on newer vehicles. You know, you get into those that older stuff that's got drums. It's kind of a pain in the butt, but this thing's four-wheel disc brake, so pad slapping it. It's a breeze. All right, ladies and gents. Whoa, sorry, let me try to stabilize this camera a little bit better. Brakes are done. You know, I said doing a pad slap on vehicles nowadays is simple. I said a little Sunday side project.